If your carpets look dull, feel matter, or hold onto odors, no matter how much you vacuum, the problem usually isn't the carpet itself. It's what's trapped deep inside it. Stains that keep coming back, allergy flare-ups, or a home that just doesn't feel as clean as it should are all signs that surface cleaning isn't enough. That's usually when homeowners realize they're dealing with more than just dirt. Carpet fibers act like a filter. They trap dirt, dust, allergens, pet dander, and oils deep below the surface. Regular vacuuming helps, but it can't remove the embedded debris that settles into the base of the carpet, especially in high-traffic areas. In South Florida, humidity can make the problem worse, allowing odors and contaminants to linger longer. That's why carpets can look clean, but still hold onto dirt and smells. Here's exactly what our team does when professionally clean carpet. We start by inspecting the carpet, identifying traffic patterns, stains, and fiber type, so we can choose the safest and most effective cleaning method. Next, targeted cleaning solutions are applied to loosen embedded dirt, oils, and stains. Using professional-grade equipment, we flush hot water deep into the carpet fibers and extract dirt, allergens, and residue. Finally, carpet fibers are groomed to improve appearance and promote even drying. This process cleans deep, not just what you can see. We don't rush carpet cleaning, and we don't cut corners. We use professional-grade hot water extraction. Follow careful pre-inspection and fiber-safe methods. Apply powerful extraction that avoids overwetting, and pay close attention to edges, corners, and high-traffic areas. Every job ends with a final walkthrough to ensure quality. We're not just improving appearance, we're restoring the carpet cleanliness and comfort. Most homeowners notice carpet look brighter, feel softer, and smell fresher almost immediately. Over time, regular professional cleaning helps extend the life of your carpet and maintain a healthier indoor environment. It's a difference you can see and feel right away. If your carpets aren't responding to regular cleaning, professional carpet cleaning can make a real difference. A professional inspection will tell you that this is the right solution for your home. Watch the rest of this playlist to learn how we care for your floors and fabrics the right way, or schedule your cleaning to get started.